Why do we feel stuck even when we are trying so hard? The truth is, growth does not look like a straight line. Sometimes it's stillness, silence, or even waiting. Think of a seed buried in the ground. No one sees it, but deep inside, its roots are developing, growing enough to support the tree it is meant to become. That quiet frustration, that voice saying, I should have been far by now. Today, we are going to uncover what really happens beneath the surface. Here are 4 common barriers most people face. Number 1, holding onto the past. We normally bring our past into the present. The old habits, the fear, the pain, the frustration into our present moments. These invisible weights deny us from becoming, from stepping into our best self, and also from moving forward. I remember when I was starting my mentorship program, I realized I was carrying my doubts from my past. I had to let it go in order to step into my purpose. And I realized one thing, that growth is not all about condemning. It's all about the courage and moving forward. Philippians 3:13-14 reminds us that forget the past and strain towards ahead. When you feel stuck in a certain moment, when you feel like you're trying your best, you're doing everything right, you don't know what to do, step back and ask yourself, what fears, what habits, what identities am I holding on to, which are hindering me to step into my best self? This will help you realize, this will help you to understand, and brings the exact problem to let it go. Number 2, chasing speed instead of direction. We are in the world full of uncertainty, obsessed with quick results. Building your dream life in just 6 months? Really? Let me tell you something. Speed has made us lose our true identity, our true self, our true becoming, because we are chasing speed instead of direction. I once had a list of goals, business goals, spiritual goals, personal goals, but I felt empty. So the real growth is not all about the fast. It's all about aligning yourself to become that person you want to become. Speed is important, but direction is very important in today's life if you want to become that person you want to see. Number 3, transforming in silence. Some of the powerful changes happen inside the heart and the mind long before anyone notices them. Healing, building patience, learning boundaries, those invisible milestones shape your life. Let me give an example here. Maybe you're learning to say no to toxic people or building boundaries. It won't happen outwardly. It's an inner experience which helps you to shape your life to the next level. Invisible growth only shows up in the mindset, resilience moments, and also the inner peace for you to become the best of yourself. Number 4, being prepared. Life can sometimes push you to the wall and slows you down, not because it is punishing you, it is preparing you. If your foundation isn't strong, your growth won't last. Every pause is a season of transformation. I had seasons where everything seemed not moving externally, but internally I was building a skill, clarity, spiritual strength. Looking back, those pauses were critical for long-term transformation. So, trust the season for it to build your roots and become the best version of yourself. Here is what you can do when you feel stuck. Number 1, slow down and reflect. Ask yourself, what is this season trying to teach me? Could it be patience, surrendering, or even clarity? Number 2, redefine growth. growth is not only external. It's all about inner peace, wisdom, alignment. And if you feel grounded and self-aware, you are growing. Number 3, keep showing up. Even when things are invisible, consistency matters. The seed that is hidden the longer often grows stronger. Growth isn't measured by visible results. It's all about healing, alignment, and transforming in your mind, in your spirit, and also in your heart. I know what it feels to start this journey, or to be lonely, or to be in a stagnant moment, or to have thoughts of giving up at some point. But I got you. Just schedule a discovery call with me. Let's walk this journey together. Find the link in the description to have a proper journey and direction of becoming your best self, of being you, of living the life you've always dreamed of. The link is in the description. Just check it out. If this video spoke to you and you feel like this is what I needed to start my journey of becoming, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to be part of the community. But most important, share it with your friends to start the journey of becoming, to align themselves and step into their best versions. Thank you.